Show us how you move. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Rock it forward. There you go. It's because Mommy got the camera, isn't it? Not back. Oh, there we go. He moves the left one and the right one. Come on.
I brought my CD and samples of speeches I wrote. Fantastic.
Gave up?
These are my abundance favorites.
Hey, Will.
Here's a sample of the coffee and bacon. Wait. You want me to get coffee? At some point I'll ask you.
Hi, handsome. Look at you get around. Yeah.
Hi. 4 weeks from now, voters of New York State will select their next Democratic nominee for president. Now, if Bill Clinton wins, I want you to all understand it's going to be as a direct result of the commitment and the energy of every person in this room.
Come on, move forward.
And I mean that, that's just now, that's how important the work is. That each and every one of you is.
Come on. This is more interesting than waiting for Irene. No, don't roll. Scoot. Forward. There you go. There you go. Come on, you can do it. Do it again. Get those knees up underneath you, buddy. Good job. There you go. Get that butt up. Come on. Come on. Yay! Come on. No. You're going to shake your head no.
What are you doing? Are you a seal? What was that?
Hi, handsome. There we go. He looked like Cousin Bella there for a moment with the head shaking and the mouth open. Look at you roll, Bug. Good job.
Where do you go to find a business plan with a super guarantee? Only Super Pages.
You are getting so big. Why are we upset? Oh, you know what? Mommy just remembered it's lunchtime, isn't it? Okay. Okay. But I just want to see if we move forward a little bit. Okay, I'll stop. Mommy, get lunch.